lakes at the Great Falls of the Potomac were very badly destroyed because they had a spring rain that flooded the canal, including the Great Falls, and there was a lot of damage done. All kayakers, canoeists, and whitewater rafters can access the Potomac River from within Great Falls Park, only below the waterfalls. Running the waterfalls is for expert kayakers only, as all rapids are class 5 and 6. And the Olympic kayaking team actually trains on the Great Falls. Clara Barton was one of the first people to volunteer as a nurse in the Civil War. And she came up with very practical ideas to bring supplies with her. And when the war was over, a grateful nation agreed to build her a house. And they showed her these beautiful houses. And she says, "No, I don't want that. I need a house to store all my supplies so I can go in and grab what I need and leave." And they built her this house with a long central walkway that had cabinets in it from the front door to the back door. And she could keep all the supplies needed for emergencies there.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.